Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Roblox account online on your computer. And now, without further ado, let's start right in. Now, to sign into your Roblox account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in roblox.com like this and hit on enter, or you can simply search for Roblox account login like this on the Google and hit on enter, and you can see there is the login to Roblox on the top of the search result of Google. Click over there, and you can see guys the direct login page of the Roblox from the Google search result itself. Whereas on the first tab we're still on the home page of the Roblox, and there is a sign up page available for you guys or us in order to sign up if we have not created an account on Roblox. And to log into your Roblox account, at the top right corner of the page you can see the login button available over here. Click on login and you will be directed to the first page as this one, which is the login page of the Roblox itself. Let's close these because both of these pages are same. And now to log into your Roblox account, either you will have to input your username or your email or your phone number with which you had registered an account on Roblox like this. I'll be going to my email address, not my phone number or my username, and enter your password which you had registered on Roblox at the time of creating your account. Or if you've forgotten your password or your username, you can simply click on forgot username or password button available over here to go through a procedure to retrieve your password or username depending upon which one you lost. With that being said guys, after entering your username or your password, simply click on login and you'll be able to sign into your Roblox account from over here. With that being said guys, if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.